I'm Harmoni Weber. I'm a PT here at Charm. I've worked at Charm for a year and a half and lived in Texas for about 4 years. So a lot of the tools that we use with our PT at Charm are tools that I don't think are integrated together anywhere else. We have Redcord that we integrate and use with our newbie machine, which uses direct current. From the people, the view, the patients, it's just the culture here is all, the vibe is just all positive. Everyone's on the same page. Everyone wants to get to the patient to the same point. We work together as a team just to help get them there. And it's nice that we can have that communication, that coordination to work together. It could be anywhere at the start of PT during the eval, or it can even be 16, 15 visits in. If they finally hit a breakthrough and they've hit a milestone, they're like, I can do this that I never could do before. That feels so incredibly gratifying. I can feel the excitement for them. I'm probably often more excited than they are. It can be the simplest little thing that I noticed that they couldn't do that now they can do that. Sometimes they don't even notice themselves and they're like, oh wow, you're right. The tools that we use here, I use myself. I mean, what we use here is so effective. After just one treatment, you notice the difference in how you function, how you move, what you feel grounded, you feel whole, you feel like your entire body is working together.